welcome viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to my kitchen, near and far. Welcome back to my kitchen. Thank you so much for your love and your support. I really appreciate it. Today on my menu, I will be making brown stewed chicken with rice and peas, the Caribbean way, and I am about to start. Here I've got my chicken. It's all washed and cut up in pieces. I am going to show you guys how to season the chicken, but first of all I'm going to wash my hands. These are all my seasons what I'll be using. All-purpose seasoning, chicken seasoning, onion seasoning, garlic seasoning, jerk seasoning, and black pepper. So I am going to season my chicken now. I'll be using I'm also using a bit of white onions, red and green and yellow pepper, crushed garlic with a bit of hot scotch bonnet pepper, this to give it a bit of kicks. Spring onions, a bit of carrots, a bit of thyme, and I'm just gonna rub all my seasoning in and marinate my chicken. Normally what I do, I always like to marinate my chicken and leave it for at least 24 hours before I'm ready for cooking it, or at least 4 hours. But because I'm showing you guys how to marinate my chicken, I'm just gonna have to marinate it and straight into the pan to cook. So let's get started. It's looking good and it smells really good. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to turn my heat on. I've already poured some vegetables, some oil in my pan, so I'm just going to put the heat on. And I just leave it for the oil to hot. When the oil is hot, then I'll put my chicken in. Guys, the chicken is ready for putting in to fry. So I'm just gonna put my chicken in and let it fry. My oil is okay and it's hot. So I'm just gonna turn my heat down. What I do, I simply remove my seasoning from my chicken before I put it to fry, because if you don't remove the seasoning from the chicken will burn. So you have to simply remove the seasoning from the chicken before you fry the chicken. Guys, I'm making rice and peas to go with my chicken. So this is my peas. I put my peas to soak overnight. So I'm now going to put my peas to cook. So what I've got here is some coconut milk, and I'm going to add some of it straight into my peas. And I'm also going to add a pinch of salt. That amount, a pinch of salt straight in. I'm also gonna add a bit of thyme straight in, and 3 cloves of garlic straight in. Just gonna give it a bit of stir. And then I'm gonna leave my peas to cook. Once my peas is soft and tender, I'm going to wash my rice and then add it to my peas. Guys, my chicken is all looking good. As you can see, they are brown and looking really, really good. Some of them is ready for taking out, so I'm taking the one that is ready for taking out. I'm taking them out. Guys, these are all my seasoning, what I'm going to add to my pan. I'm going to add a bit of tomato puree. I'm going to add the rest of my seasoning. Just gonna give it a stir. I'm going to also add some dark sea soy sauce to give it a bit of flavor. 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. And I'm going to add my chicken now. I'm just changing over pans. Guys, I'm just adding some boiling water. Just enough water to cover my chicken. And that's okay. And then I'm just gonna cover my chicken and leave it to cook until when it's soft and tender. So when I return, you will see the result, okay? These are some small potatoes I've cut up in small pieces, and I'm just gonna add them to my chicken. Guys, my peas is all cooked and everything, so I'm just gonna try one of my peas to make sure it's properly cooked, then add my rice. Look guys, it's all cooked, smelling very good. So I've got my rice, I've washed my rice 3 times, I've drained my rice, and I'm now going to add my rice to my peas. I'm just going to give it a stir with a fork. That's my spring onion, what I've added to my peas, and I also add some thyme and a bit of hot scotch bonnet pepper, and I did add some garlic, but my garlic is all cooked out, smell really good. Guys, what I didn't mention, if you don't want to put your peas to boil, let's say you're in a rush and you want to choose the easy way out, you can use a tin of red kidney beans. You can get this to buy in any supermarket. This is a quick and easy way out. If you want to go the long way, then you can put your peas to boil just like what I've done. Okay? So what I'm going to do now, I am going to cover my rice. And I am going to reduce my heat and leave it to cook slow. When I return, I'll show you the finishing touch. Okay? Guys, my chicken is all cooked. My gravy is all thick and looking really delicious. So I'm just waiting for my rice to cook, and then I'll be serving my meal. My rice is finished, guys. It's all looking good. My rice and peas, and I'm about to serve my dinner. Guys, look at my lovely, delicious food, what I'm about to eat. It is looking absolutely delicious. And I'm just going to have a taste and tell you guys what my rice and peas and my brown stew chicken tastes like. Wow, I can taste all the flavor. It is absolutely delicious. Chicken is really nice. These are my little potatoes. It's really nice. My salad and everything, really nice. I've got a glass of grape juice to go with my meal. And I'm just going to have a taste. It's really nice. That's my grape juice. Bought this from my local supermarket. Go really well with my food. So I'm just gonna relax and enjoy my meal. So guys, if you like my video, give it a thumbs up, like and share. Subscribe to my channel. Tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. Enjoy your meal. I'm out. See you soon with a lot more recipes and ideas. Love you guys so much.